Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin has just arrived and I wanted to show you what is inside. I've been looking forward to this stamp set because it was called Something for Everything. Let's see if I can get a good view for you. Maybe you can see it. That is a lot of stamps. A lot of sentiments, which is a great addition to your stamp collection. So this is what I was looking for. I really was hoping that there would be a lot of great sentiments, and there are. Look at this. Congratulations, happy birthday, let's celebrate, feel better soon, so very sorry, just because, hey friend, it's your day, you're the best, Mr. and Mrs., and did I forget, love you lots and thank you, good luck. So there is a ton here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and some flowers. So 14 stamps in all. Very, very useful. Now they colored terracotta tile. That's a newer color. And I heard that the cards were going to be kind of simple. And they are, but useful for everything. So I think this is a very useful. This is a good gift to give, actually, because you can make up a bunch of these and they can add the sentiments later too, even. Okay, let's see. These are the envelopes, are cute with some printing on them. All the same. Yes, all the same. And then we've got some gold foil sticker sheets. I like that they're stickers. No need for adhesive on these tiny parts. That's awesome. There's a whole bunch of those. And then our card bases, and these are standard size, which is awesome. So you've got a lot, actually, quite a few. 3 different designs. You got that, a flower, and a stripe. Very nice. More sticker sheets. So we've got some little elements that you're going to put on your cards. Quite a few of those. And then here are a bunch of labels. Look at that. And you're going to add all your different stamps to those. And some dimensionals and adhesive backed little gems. So this is, oops, I just accidentally took out a dimensional. This is a good kit for everyone. Something for everything. Really great stamp set. This is a great stamp set to add to your collection. I like the size because you can fit them on little labels or at the bottom of a card. Maybe you've put a lot of detail and pretty to your card and you don't want to cover it with a giant sentiment. You want to let your card shine, but you do want to add something. So these are nice, skinny, long, easy to fit on a card front without blocking out the whole card sentiments. Really great. And you can use them on the inside as well. Tiny little flowers would be cute on an envelope. So this is a really fun stamp set. If you missed out on the Something for Everything Paper Pumpkin Kit this month, let me know. I always order a few extras, so I will have some if you need them, probably, if you contact me quickly. So check it out, the Something for Everything Paper Pumpkin Kit. And if you don't want to ever miss another one, subscribe. You can do that right at my blog, bestpapercuts.com. And there's a little clickable link on the sidebar. It says Paper Pumpkin. You can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and get notified of all of them. Also, sign up for my newsletter. It's newer. I just started it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.